Good afternoon, this is Max with the National Weather Service in Norman. It's just before 2 p.m. on Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024. This briefing will give our latest thoughts concerning the multiple rounds and hazards of winter weather we expect to impact portions of our area over the next 5 to 7 days. We hope you all are enjoying the weather that we're experiencing on this Wednesday afternoon, and again expect for Thursday afternoon, as this will likely be the nicest weather that the region experiences over at least the next 7 to 10 days. We do expect a few thunderstorms to develop across southeastern into eastern Oklahoma very late in the day on Thursday and into Friday morning, bringing with it the potential at least for some low-end severe weather concern. We then expect 2 rounds of snow across portions of Oklahoma, mainly the northern 2/3 of Oklahoma. The first will be arriving very late Thursday night, continuing into Friday morning, and then a second round Sunday into Monday. We are expecting temperatures to turn much colder this weekend, beginning Friday morning, with dangerous cold expected from Sunday into Monday of next week. And we'll get into all that here during this briefing. This is the latest thunderstorm outlook from our partners at the Storm Prediction Center, who highlight portions of southeastern Oklahoma, including areas around Durant, in a marginal risk, a level 1 out of 5. This is where we may see a few thunderstorms develop as early as 10 p.m. Thursday and continue through 2 a.m. Friday, posing some risk for severe weather, including hail up to quarter size and damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. The system impacting our area from late Thursday and early Friday will also bring increased chances for snow across much of our area. The lightest blue shading represents where we expect at least a trace of snowfall is possible, with the darkest blue area roughly centered from Anadarko to Stillwater, showing the greatest potential for at least 1 inch of snowfall. Beyond that, we want to kind of stress that due to the falling temperatures early Friday morning, even very minor accumulations may lead to travel impact and slick spots on our roadways during the Friday morning commute. This is most expected in the area bounded by the yellow lines, including the Oklahoma City metro area. Friday is also expected to begin the onset of cold temperatures across our region, with temperatures not expected to rise above freezing across far northern Oklahoma even into the afternoon hours. Additionally, a blustery northwest wind will create wind chills from the mid-20s to upper teens for areas along and north of I-40. Again, this will begin the onset of a cold period of temperatures expected from this weekend into early next week. From Friday into this weekend and the middle portions of the next work week, we are expecting temperatures to be at or below freezing for many locations in the forecast area. On average, our current forecast calls for 124 hours of temperatures at or below freezing, which represents just over 5 consecutive days. This time may be slightly shorter for our southern locations, where temperatures may warm above freezing through Friday and into Saturday, with a cold period expected area-wide from Sunday into Tuesday. As previously mentioned, the coldest period looks to extend from Sunday into Tuesday of next week. Beginning on Sunday, we are expecting dangerous wind chill values across the northern 2/3 of Oklahoma, with the coldest wind chills expected across far northern Oklahoma. For now, it appears that the coldest temperatures will occur on Monday morning across our area. This includes very hazardous wind chill readings from western North Texas into northern Oklahoma. Wind chill values of this caliber are hazardous to be in for any length of time. Some of you may be wondering if the cold snap that we are forecasting from late this weekend and early next week is comparable to the one that we experienced in February of 2021. It appears the answer for now is no, with the lowest temperatures that we experienced during the 2021 event running from -14 to -20, with current lowest forecasted temperatures in this event roughly -5 to 5 degrees. So this event will be running about 10 to 15 degrees less cold than the February 2021 event. However, we still want to emphasize that this event will still be dangerous and necessary precautions will need to be taken. We are expecting another round of snowfall to impact portions of our area from Sunday into Monday. This animated loop shows the potential for snowfall from Sunday into Monday across portions of our area. The highest chances for snow look to occur across the northern and northeastern portions of the forecast area during the day on Sunday, with lingering chances across southeastern Oklahoma as we head towards Monday early afternoon and evening. While uncertainty in the timing and track of the late weekend storm system still exists, we do expect accumulating snowfall across portions of our area, especially across northern into eastern Oklahoma. We do, for now, expect the highest amounts to occur further north and east across northeastern Oklahoma and southeastern Kansas. However, with the uncertainties, it'll be important to check back from late this week into this weekend for our latest thoughts concerning snowfall potential from Sunday into Monday. With extreme cold expected from this weekend and early next week, now is the time to prepare in case you have to venture outside in this time period. We really stress that the importance of safety in extreme cold really relies on you adding layers to keep yourself well insulated from the cold temperatures. So again, if you have to venture outside from this weekend, from Saturday, Sunday into the early portions of the next work week, you'll want to make sure you have plenty of layers to protect yourself from the cold. Once again, we are expecting slick spots and some travel impacts from late Thursday into Friday morning, and then again from Sunday into Monday due to snowfall across portions of our area. The early Friday morning commute will likely be impacted by some slick spots and travel impacts, even with very minor accumulations, really the result of quickly dropping temperatures across the area. So even if you can't see snow-covered roads or ice-covered roads, it'll be important to really use those winter weather safety driving tips as you go out for the Friday morning commute across portions of our area. That's all for this update. Again, this was Max with the National Weather Service in Norman. Be sure to follow us on social media and visit our webpage, weather.gov/Norman, for our latest forecast thoughts regarding the winter weather and extreme cold that we are expecting over the next 5 to 7 days. And feel free to reach out to us either by phone or email if you have any questions or would like to send us any reports, again, of winter weather or extreme cold. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great Wednesday afternoon.